In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit catalog menu in Wix. We'll walk through where to find your restaurant menus in the Wix dashboard, how to open the new menus area, and exactly which buttons to use to change names, descriptions, and items. Follow along in your own account so you can save as you go. First, head to wix.com and sign in. Once you're logged in, choose the site you want to work on and land on its dashboard. From here, look for the restaurant tools. In the left sidebar, open the catalog section. This is where Wix Restaurants keeps your menu collections and items. Next, click the menu you want to edit. If you manage multiple menus, like breakfast, lunch, or seasonal, pick the one that needs updating. Inside that menu workspace, select Menus, New. This takes you to Wix's updated editor for menus, which gives you clearer controls and quicker access to details. You can now start editing. Begin by opening Edit Menu Details. This is where you manage high-level information about the menu. Update the menu name so it's clear and accurate. Short names work best on mobile and in your site's navigation. Then add a concise menu description. A sentence or two is enough to explain what's included, highlight dietary notes, or mention time-based availability. When you're happy with those details, click Save. Saving frequently prevents you from losing work if you navigate away. Return to Manage to see your menu sections and items. If you need to make a quick name tweak, use the pencil icon to edit the name inline. This is handy for fast corrections without opening a full editor. If you need to switch which menu you're working on, use Change Menu to jump to another one. Otherwise, choose Edit to dive into a specific menu and adjust its sections or items. Here you can refine section titles like appetizers or desserts, reorder items for better flow, or adjust pricing and descriptions for clarity. When you want to move quickly, use Quick Add to create a new item on the spot. Add the item name, a short description, and a price. You can always enhance it later with images or dietary tags, but Quick Add is great for getting content into the menu right away. As a best practice, save after each set of changes, review how your updates look in preview, and keep names and descriptions consistent across sections. That's it. Your Wix catalog menu is now edited and organized, ready for customers to browse with confidence.